Hi folks, the truth is the rowing stroke is incredibly simple. Whether you are rowing in the gym, or maybe you're rowing at Hyrox, or maybe you're rowing in the World Indoor Rowing Championships, the stroke itself is pretty much the same no matter where you are. The hard part when it comes to rowing, to be honest, is getting it right when you're breathing out of your ears, okay? But as far as the stroke itself is concerned, you're really thinking about only 6 different movements, okay? So it's a push with the legs, a swing with the back, and a pull with the arms into a finish. And then it's a relaxing of the arms, a rock forwards over your body, a bend of your knees into the front of the machine, ready for the next stroke, okay? So that's really all you're looking at. There's nuances here, okay? So there's things like posture. You wanna make sure that as you you relax your arms to come away from your body, you then sit up, so you've got a good posture, okay, everything's nice and powerful, and then you hinge forwards, okay? So this isn't about curling your lower back, it's about hinging forwards. Your arms are nice and straight here, relaxed, loose, floppy even, and then you bend your knees until you roll until your shins are vertical, okay? So try not to go past vertical here, and then you brace your core, as though you're coughing, so cough for me. Okay, see how your core just tensed that little bit? That's what you want to do. So you get into the front, I don't recommend coughing, and then you push your feet into the machine. And that power through your braced core comes up from your feet into your arms. Your arms are straight, that power gets into the machine. When your legs are round about halfway done, you swing your body from that 1 o'clock forwards tilt to an 11 o'clock backwards tilt. So you're in that backwards tilt, and then you finish by pulling the handle into sternum height with your elbows through your sides slightly and wrists flat. So actually rowing, it's push, swing, pull, relax, rock, bend. Push, swing, pull, relax, rock, bend. And the relaxing of your arms at the back, nice and loose, and that then allows you to stay at that neutral height as you come into the front again, to be able to drive from the front, pushing the machine away from you, rather than thinking about pushing yourself back to the back of the machine. Now here are some common mistakes that I see all around the world in gyms, Hyrox race floors, and CrossFit boxes. The first of these is pulling early, okay? People come into the front and they pull rather than using their legs. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, my legs are much bigger than my biceps, so I want to use these first and then swing over my body to add in that mass of my upper body swinging backwards. And then I want to finish with my arms. Let all that power come from the legs first. So get into the front, straight arms, push, swing, pull, okay? The second problem that I see is the back of the machine. When people finish the stroke, and this time they bend their knees first. And look at what's happened. My hips are now rolled backwards, my knees are up in the air, and I have to somehow get the handle up and over my knees. I then roll into the front of the machine in this position, and I have to somehow get from here to here. And that's, well, it's quite entertaining to watch, but it's not the best way to row. So you want to make sure and relax those arms, use the momentum of your hands coming away to get you into this forwards tilt, and then bend your knees as the last thing you do to roll into the front of the machine, ready to push, swing, pull for yet another stroke. All right, so it then just becomes about repetition, about rowing in the best way possible as often as you can in order to drive it into your brain that this is how you row. Now, I can help with that with the hundreds of different RowAlong workouts that I have on my YouTube channel. So do check them out, row along with me, spend time working on your technique, think about that core, your posture, think about driving out from the front, swinging your body, pulling in your arms, relaxing your arms, rocking forwards over your hips, bending your knees into the front, and you will become a much better, more efficient rower who is going to be less prone to injury because you're rowing how this machine is meant to be used. All right, until the next video, please look after yourselves, row well, be well, bye-bye.